So we have some good news and some bad news. What do you want first? Let me give you the good. I always want the bad news first, but I'll give you the good news. The good news is Americans are feeling better about saving. The bad news is you still are horrible at it. Absolutely horrible at it. New data released from Bankrate.com says a full 21% of working Americans are not saving any of their incomes. And then just 25% of you are saving 10% or more of your pay. So why aren't Americans saving, potentially putting themselves in a position where they may never be able to retire? And when we say savings, Greg McBride, we're talking specifically about 401ks, because that seems to have been one of the easiest ways for Americans to save, and yet they're not joining in great numbers their own company's 401ks.
If you don't make saving a priority, it's not going to happen. And, the beauty of a 401k is this money's payroll deducted. It comes out before you have a chance to even think about it. And where else can you buy a dollar for 75 cents? I mean, the tax advantages that you get by using your 401k plan you literally get a dollar of savings at only a cost of 75 or 85 cents of net pay. So, getting that money to work for you before Uncle Sam gets his hands on it is a huge advantage, and then that money grows on a tax advantage basis for years and years. So you have all that compounding. It's like the difference between going through the easy pass lane versus having to stop at the toll booth every 5 miles.
Absolutely.
Makes a huge difference in getting to, in the long run.
Okay, let me simplify this for people. If your company is matching, you're saying no to free money. Do I have that right?
You're absolutely right. I mean, saying no to free money is like saying no to ice cream. I mean, who doesn't like free money?
Lactose intolerant.
So you have to contribute at least enough to maximize that employer match.
Okay, so here's the thing, and let's be honest, only 14% of employers do offer plans, or around that number. What if people are working at a place where it is not offered? What is your alternative?
If you have earned income or a spouse that has earned income, you're eligible to contribute to an IRA. So if your workplace does not offer a plan, then open up and contribute to an IRA. And you've got a couple of options there. You can save money and get the tax benefit now, or you can put in after-tax money now and be able to withdraw it tax-free in retirement. So a lot of flexibility, not only in terms of taxation, but in terms of picking the investments as well.
You start to wonder why people don't do it, and many people simply say, after I'm done paying my monthly bills, I don't have the money. Now, you can say that, oh, it's automatically deducted from payroll. Listen, auto deduction, auto debit is not entirely painless. It hurts the first couple of months, but then once you get going, you kind of forget about it. And if you don't save for your retirement, nobody else is going to help you, because we keep hearing Social Security won't be there.
Yeah, I mean, the burden is increasingly on our shoulders as individuals with each passing day, because there are fewer pensions. The future of Social Security and Medicare is uncertain. Our lifespans are getting longer. Healthcare costs are getting higher. You have to take control of your own financial destiny by saving now. And the biggest financial regret that Americans have, Liz, is that they didn't start saving for retirement earlier, and we see that concern grow with age. So nip that in the bud by increasing your contributions or signing up and making those contributions today.
Yeah, great advice. Thank you. And parents out there, start training your kids. Their first job, they have to start doing this. It really makes sense. Greg, thank you.